Hey guys, it's Itshlengy. So it's been a long time since I did hair videos. So today I just want to show you guys how I did this gorgeous hairstyle using the Brazilian wool. It looks like my natural hair, but it's actually the Brazilian hair wool. So let's get to the video. So this is the wool that I'm going to be using. I've curled my wool because I love curls, but this is optional. You can use the Brazilian wool as it is. So I'm just opening up the wool that I recently did box braids using the wool, but now I'm going to use it again to do this gorgeous hairstyle. I'm going to be using my crochet hooker. I'm not sure what it is called, so I'm going to be using it to attach the Brazilian wool onto my hair. So yeah guys, I know it's been a long time since I posted hair content, skincare content. That's because I've been so busy off camera and my job is just taking most of my time. But I'll try to be back little by little. I just don't want to neglect my channel, and I really enjoy filming content, and I hope you guys will love this video as much as I loved filming it for you guys. And yeah, so I'm just gonna carry on attaching the wool onto my hair until it covers my whole head, and you'll see how beautiful this style is. You can just, if you're a person like me who doesn't like doing your hair like every week or every month, then this hairstyle is for you. You can rock it for a month or 2 months according to how well you're gonna take care of it. So I'm nearly done attaching attaching the wool onto my hair, and this is how it looks like, but it's too long. Now I'm just gonna cut it because I want that bob wig look alike. I'm not sure what I'm saying, but I want it very short. I love short hair. I don't like long hair. That is why I'm cutting it out, and it looks much better when I cut it out. It looks like a wig. So now I'm gonna use this wrap mousse on my hair to make it look a bit natural, like it's my hair. And then I'm going to be doing my edges. Of course, edges are life. You should do your edges more often. It makes your style looks better. So I'm going to use my favorite gel, which is the Styles gel, to do my edges. And then I'm done. This is the style. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button. Share this video with people who are like me, who don't like doing their hair, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.